Hello dear students, I am Malik Farouk, live from BHSS Secondary Langate। हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड डिजीज़ एंड वी आर डीलिंग, जो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है वो है एड्स। एड्स का फुल फॉर्म जो है इट इज़ एक्यूर्ड इम्यूनोडेफिशिएंसी सिंड्रोम wherein there is a drastic reduction in CD4 or helper T4 lymphocytes due to infection of HIV on human immunodeficiency virus. The first case was reported in USA in 1981. The virus was first isolated by the Montigny in 1983 in France. It was named HIV in 1986 by International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses. There are two kinds of HIV strands. HIV-1 and HIV-2. In India, AIDS was first reported in 1986 from China. Now, structure of HIV. It is rounded enveloped retrovirus with a core having two single strands of genomic RNA, two molecules of enzymes reverse transcriptase, an inner covering or capsid P24 and an outer covering or capsid of P protein 18. The number of genes present in HIV is 8. It is 9 in HIV second, common in Africa. Core is covered by an envelope derived from the host. The envelope has spikes with the glycoproteins capable of recognizing CD4 or T4 antigen receptor found in helper T cells, macrophages, and nerve cells. Neurotransmission. Virus can spread through the blood contact, semen and vaginal secretions and placenta. It can be carried from infected person to healthy person through mosquitoes, hugging, kissing, shaking hands, cough, sneezing, sharing meals, transfusion, parental route transfusion of contaminated food with blood products from infected person to healthy person, sharing needles and razors, sharing of infected razors, contaminated syringes and needles as used by the intravenous drug abusers and toileting centers. Sex is the most common method of transmission of HIV from an infected person to healthy person due to multiple sex partners, prostitutes, homosexuality, and artificial insemination. Virus is present in infective dose both in semen and vaginal secretions. Transplantation, transmission, and infected mother passes the infection to infant through the placenta as well as through the milk. इसका जो incubation period है, it's commonly 2 to 3 years but can be up to 10 years. Initial stage जो इसकी है वो है 2 to 6 weeks as a window period when infection cannot be detected. However, AIDS begins soon after HIV infection. People can therefore transmit virus to others during symptoms-free window period. Later on, an antiviral antibodies P4 and reduced number of helper T cells indicate the presence of HIV infection. There are two types of tests. ELISA test, an enzyme-linked immune sorbent assay, is quick result within 2 to 30 hours, but gives 5 to 6% of false positive results. Western blot, it's a confirmatory test which detects antiviral bodies. तो दूसरे लेक्चर में हम इसका पढ़ेंगे लाइफ साइकिल. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.